Our next performer, Ragini Maheshwari, is a resident of Virginia, USA, where she skillfully balances her professional life as a teacher with her deep passion for Indian classical music. For the past 3 years, she has been on a beautiful journey of learning and discovering the richness of this art form. As an educator, she truly values lifelong learning, discipline, and dedication, qualities that reflect in her musical pursuit as well. Singing brings her immense joy and fulfillment, and today she is here to share that joy with us. Let's welcome her with appreciation and applause as she performs a beautiful song for us.
मेरी झोपड़ी के भाग आज खुल जाएंगे, राम आएंगे। मेरी झोपड़ी के भाग आज खुल जाएंगे, राम आएंगे। राम आएंगे, आएंगे, राम आएंगे। राम आएंगे, आएंगे, राम आएंगे। मेरे झोपड़ी के भाग आज खुल जाएंगे, राम आएंगे। मेरे झोपड़ी के भाग आज खुल जाएंगे, राम आएंगे। राम आएंगे तो अंगना सजाऊंगी, दीप जला के दिवाली मैं मनाऊंगी। राम आएंगे तो अंगना सजाऊंगी, दीप जला के दिवाली मैं मनाऊंगी। मेरे जन्मों के सारे पाप मिट जाएंगे, राम आएंगे। मेरी झोपड़ी के भाग आज खुल जाएंगे, राम आएंगे। राम झूलेंगे तो पालना झुलाऊंगी, मीठे मीठे मैं भजन सुनाऊंगी। राम झूलेंगे तो पालना झुलाऊंगी, मीठे मीठे मैं भजन सुनाऊंगी। मेरी जिंदगी के सारे दुख मिट जाएंगे, राम आएंगे। मेरी झोपड़ी के भाग आज खुल जाएंगे, राम आएंगे। मैं तो रुचि रुचि भोग लगाऊंगी, माखन मिश्री मैं राम को खिलाऊंगी। मैं तो रुचि रुचि भोग लगाऊंगी, माखन मिश्री मैं राम को खिलाऊंगी। प्यारी प्यारी राधे प्यारे श्याम संग आएंगे, राम आएंगे। राम आएंगे, आएंगे, राम आएंगे। राम आएंगे, आएंगे, राम आएंगे। मेरी झोपड़ी के भाग खुल जाएंगे, राम आएंगे। मेरी झोपड़ी के भाग खुल जाएंगे, राम आएंगे। जय श्री राम।
Ragini ji, that was so beautiful. I was just, getting very excited that when your turn is going to come. It was full of emotions, full of expressions, and such a soulful voice you have. Beautiful, amazing.
So much. Thank you.
Okay, so Ragini ji, you have just recently started with me. So would you like to share your experience of
Yes,
how,
definitely.
what you
Yes,
like?
yes. So I started with Himangi ji for just 2 months. Like, I started, I think, the first week of January. And since then, like, first of all, her way of teaching is amazing. Like, the way she, even if you're making a mistake, she has such a nice way of telling you that this is how you need to do. And she does not move. Like, she's not going to move until you've corrected that part or you've practiced on that. So this is something I like. Like, some people would like, just okay, we'll move on and move on, but she's not. You have to match with the tanpura. You have to listen to the tanpura. You have to. I love that a lot in you.
Focus
And
on
with
the
the beauty,
breathing.
focus on the breathing. Listen to the tanpura. Listen to your piano and harmonium and all of that. This is very, very important, because if, and like you say, Himangi ji, if our base is not strong, we cannot move forward like that. Now, I've been learning music for the past 3 years, but I have not been challenged like that the way I am. And that motivates me even more. Like, oh yes, Himangi ji is putting so much effort in me. And the way you say that I'm not going to leave you behind, I will be with you, I'll be your support. That makes me so happy. So you don't know what a impact you're making on me. And also, I have to say this, that she's my teacher, and I say, Himangi ji, you can call me Ragini, but she always say Ragini ji. So that respect, and I mean, I'm very, very, very pleased. I'm so, but I also have to say thank you to Jaya, because Jaya is the one who gave me a reference. So Jaya, you get my appreciation, and from the bottom of my heart, I would really, really appreciate you sharing me, Himangi ji, and I think I'm not going to leave her hand until she leaves my hand. So I am stuck now.
We're stuck with each other. That
Yeah, we're
was
stuck with
so
each other.
sweet. That was so sweet,
And
Ragini
I'm
ji.
coming in summer to Pune, and I am definitely coming and meeting you
Yes,
in person.
we will. I'm looking forward to it. You are
Thank you
so
so much.
sweet, Ragini ji. Thank you so much for such beautiful words.